This is just beautiful technology. Well, we had a lot of rain lately, but I'm gonna just do a meter, not on the J3S, but on a CG1d, and we got Toby in the distance keeping an eye on me. Toby! No response, typical cat. So yeah, let's me install the CG1d. The load on this device at the moment is it's hard to read actually. Here we just have a quick side view on this J3S meter. Just beautifully designed, very well. Metal gear train, aluminum drums. Very pleasing to see a disc spin. One has to love the finesse how these terminal blocks are made. MLML, that's European configuration. Meter load for the active and for the neutral. And this is the terminal block. There's the brown sleeved fiber connection is for the 2-way option. I just popped the fuse before I started, so reset it. I have to take the casing over, just configuring the wiring, just checking that everything is right. This type of meter was actually one of the first meters I ever got for my collection. The one I got originally was a CG1d from the Centrale in Zwolle. It's a constant of 900 revolutions per kilowatt hour. I can't find that one, but this meter has 1200 revolutions per kilowatt hour, and it's also a CG1d from Landis Gyr, serial number 9747586 or 7686. I can't see that well here, and it's actually matching the casing, which is really cool. Typical Landis Gyr, they number the casings as well. So it's all yeah, complete. I blew a fuse before because I wired it up wrong. This was the European configuration, was active in, active out, neutral in, neutral out if needed. The tariff solenoid doesn't appear to be working. I'll have an investigation in that shortly. So yeah, the 2-rate meter, 4 digits and a decimal. Let's open the device up. Okay, here we go. I've opened the meter up and looks in very good condition still. Got the terminals, got the wires in. Current coil is in mint condition. It's not scorched or whatsoever, so it's not been overloaded. I got the 2-rate register, and we're going to the top now. I'll try not to move too much. Hang on, I'll just get the camera in a different angle. And the potential coil sitting on the left. Connector terminals, there's a series resistor in the 2-rate device here, and I think that has probably something that's going to open circuit there. I'll just flick this over. It's actually a bit sticky, so I'll give it a little tap here. It's even been stuck electrically. So that solenoid flicks that sideways to activate the register on this particular meter. Again, fantastic Landis Gyr quality, these nice mirror discs in these type of meters. Typical meters in the 50s, 1950s, maybe even before that, but yeah, really made absolutely fantastic. Double dual bearings with probably sapphires or something. Fiber gear wheel, drive spindle with a worm, usually 75 teeth on it, and then you got the reduction gear here into the 2-rate register. Absolutely amazing, these meters. Here we get the meter of a different angle. The reason I do it outside is because the light is just perfect. Usually it's a bit overcast, and yeah, can't beat natural daylight. Mirror perfect. Okay, the test load I'm using is just a standard 2 kilowatt heater, about 8.5 ampere, which is fine, perfect for this meter. It's a 10 ampere rated kilowatt hour meter. Fully aluminium meter drums, no plastic. I think this meter was ex-PGM in Arnhem, because I had to scratch the serial number out, or the PGM number, usually when I got these old meters. But at least keep the nameplate intact, this is quite nice. Thanks for watching, this was the CG1d from Landis Gyr. Well, the two-rate device did work, I just armed it through. It must have where I put the wire and made bad connection, so you can see the arrow flick over. Rate number 2, rate number 1. Show you the top. Energized, de-energized, energized, de-energized, energized. Well, the meter has been ticking over for a wee while. I'm just gonna take the register off and show you the rear part of the gear train as well. Okay, here we have a good look on the inside of the rear of the meter register. One register is engaged, so when I flick the device over, the other register will be engaged. You can see the left hand drive on the differential is engaged now. And now we get the right hand side of the differential engaged. This is just beautiful technology, never to be made again. And yeah, this is just metering, the Rolls Royce of metering. That's all I might as well have to add this into, because it's just so nice to see. Hope you enjoyed this. Cheers.